We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script here so we can style our form and table using utility classes without writing custom CSS. This section builds the user interface for input. We create a card containing a form with 3 inputs, text for the name, and numbers for quantity and price. The required attribute ensures the user can't submit empty data. Here we set up the display area. We have a search bar for filtering, followed by a table structure. The T-body with the ID inventory table is currently empty. This is where our JavaScript will inject the data rows dynamically. Now we enter the JavaScript logic. We select all the HTML elements we need to interact with and initialize an empty array called inventory to act as our database. The render inventory function is the engine of the app. It wipes the table clean and rebuilds it based on the data provided. It creates a new table row, TR, for every item, calculating the line total inline, and adds edit delete buttons. To calculate the summary at the bottom, we use the reduce method. This iterates through the array and accumulates the total quantity and total monetary value. Here we handle modifications. For editing, we load the data back into the form inputs and remove the old entry. For deleting, we use splice to physically remove the item from the array and then re-render the table. Finally, we attach event listeners. The form listener handles adding new items, preventing the default page reload, and the search listener filters the array in real time as the user types.